Hey tribe, welcome back to my channel. Moment of truth. Quarantine life has been kind of rough on your girl. The self-care has not been at its highest, but it's time to step into my power and take care of myself. So I'm going to be using the Gold Series collection to give myself a revival and remember who I am while I stay at home. And what's super special about Gold Series is that it's a formula that's been developed by Black PhDs and scientists, y'all, so it's very for us, by us. So let's get into this revival. So first up, I'm going to be using the Gold Series sulfate-free shampoo. As you guys can see, there's no shortage of lather with this shampoo. It's giving me lots of bubbly suds, and it makes my hair feel super clean after. And a little tip, as you'll notice, I do everything in a downward motion just to preserve the cuticle layer of my hair. So even when I shampoo, condition, all of it, I like to do everything in a downward motion. Next up, I'm using the Gold Series Moisture Boost Conditioner, and y'all, this is my favorite part. You know how we do, layer it all up. You can never have too much conditioner for kinky, curly hair. And as you can see, the slip in this conditioner is amazing. It also smells amazing, which I forgot to mention. So as you can see, my curl definition is starting to come through with the conditioner in it. So now that we're all rinsed out, I'm going to be using the Gold Series Leave-On Detangling Milk. Now I'm going to use this on every section of my set, and it's going to help detangle. It's got lots of moisture and great slip as well. So I'm going to be using about a dime size plus on every section. You know how easy it is for type 4 hair to just kind of have a dry look, but as you can see, as soon as that detangling milk is in there, my curl definition is coming back. It's looking hydrated and more juicy. So the second thing I'm using on each section is the Gold Series Hydrating Butter Crème, darling. This stuff is like a little bit thicker. It's super moisturizing, but it's not greasy, which is great. So each section in recap, I'm using the detangling milk to detangle, and then I'm applying the buttercream as well for that a little bit of added moisture. But just take in how this is detangling my hair. Like, it's the butter. It's just rolling through, bringing out that curl definition. Got it popping, looking juicy, honey. So for this style, what I'm doing is super chunky twists. I've got the chunky flat twist in the front half of my head, and in the back here, I've got these really big chunky twists that I'm going to use perm rods on the ends. Now, the reason I'm doing this is because obviously we know type 4 hair, we've got like maximum shrinkage. So I want to have this a bit stretched out while it's drying, but also giving me kind of like a big fluffy halo cloud vibes. So once it's all done, this is what we've got. Some really big chunky sections, not clean partings because we're not going to need that. But let's get our bonnet on and get ready for bed. So when we wake up in the morning, we can handle her. So now it's the morning, and I'm going to be using the Gold Series Intense Hydrating Oil on my elbows first because I just realized I was a little ashy, okay? But in all seriousness, this hydrating oil is amazing. It's got a beautiful, super light texture. Is completely clear. It's lightweight, but still gives you that nice locked in sealed finish. You know what I mean? And it smells incredible. So I'm going to have this on my hands already throughout while I'm doing this takedown process. So even while I'm taking out my rods, as well as while I'm separating them and opening them out. So once everything is opened up and taken down, I'm going in with my pick, my big tooth comb, and I'm going at the roots, and I'm just gonna zhuzh her up, try to get rid of all those different partings, and I'm kind of breaking up the curls a bit, just because you guys already know I don't like perfectly defined curls. I like a little fluff, because like I said, we're going for like a cloud, a little cloud sitting on our head look. And there we have it, y'all. A little revival. The fro has not been out in a while. It feels really good to just kind of be free, you know, and just doing my thing. No wigs, no nothing. Yes. Alright, guys. I hope you enjoyed hanging out and kicking it with me. You know, I was still doing as a side if I wanted to pin up the sides or not. Ooh, versatile, okay. But I decided to leave it all down. Anywho, that is all for today, guys. Thank you so much for hanging out and kicking it with your girl. Don't forget to hit subscribe, as well as don't forget to go and check out Gold Series, guys. It is now available in Canada at Walmart and Shoppers Drug Mart. Alright, guys, I love you, and I'll see you in my next video. Namaste!
Whispered that she don't drink, said that she rollin'. Hope I don't think that just that we smoke that I'm gon' hit. I'm like, what you think, so think what you want. She had me a think.